In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple correct answer questions in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're crafting a quiz for students or designing a feedback form, understanding how to incorporate questions with multiple correct answers can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to start by signing in to Microsoft Forms. Use your Microsoft 365 credentials or your Microsoft account to log in. You can access Microsoft Forms directly by typing forms.office.com into your browser or through the Microsoft 365 suite if it's part of your package. Once you're logged in, your next step is to create a new form. Look for the option labeled Add New. Click on it and you'll see various question types appearing. What you're looking for here is the choice question type, which is perfect for crafting questions with multiple answers. After selecting the choice question type, you'll see a few settings appear. One important setting you need to adjust is the multiple answers toggle switch. This switch is usually located near the options list for the choice question. Turn it on and this will allow your respondents to select more than one answer, a crucial step for crafting those clever questions with multiple correct options. Now it's time to get creative. Type in the question you want to ask your audience. Be as concise and clear as possible, since well-phrased questions lead to better insights and understanding. With your question in place, you'll need to specify which options are correct. To do this, find the checkmark icon located next to each answer option. Simply click on the checkmark for each option that you consider a correct answer. This small step ensures that when your respondents select these answers, they're recognized as the correct choice. Next, you'll want to determine how many answers your respondents are allowed to pick. You can do this easily by clicking on the drop-down menu found beside the Select Total options. From this menu, choose the limit of answers you'd like to accept. This is particularly handy when you're looking to control how many answers should be considered for the best fitting response. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create questions with multiple correct answers in Microsoft Forms. Following these steps should give you the flexibility and precision you need to craft engaging and informative questionnaires. In no time you will be able to gather more nuanced data and provide your respondents with a more dynamic answering experience. Thank you for tuning in and happy form creating. Remember, these tools are here to make your life easier and your forms more informative. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you.